and then you will have it here. Hello there, welcome to this tutorial in which you will learn how you can add indicators on charts like this. So the first thing is that you need to have a PC, and you need to also have MetaTrader 5, and this MetaTrader 5 you can download from your broker or MetaTrader 5 website, and then you can log in using the details that you will set up on your broker or some other broker, or can set the details for you, for example the password and the account ID. So let's say that you have logged into your account. So this is a dashboard that you will see, but this is not the chart that you will see. You will see a chart that looks like this. So this is the chart that I have just set. If you like such a chart, I have a video in the description that will show you how you can set this chart this way. Now, if you want to add indicators on any of the charts here, then you just come here to common, and then we have a place we have indicators here. We just open on the arrow, and then we have a lot of indicators here. So you just open the arrow again, and then you can choose indicator that you like. You just choose it this way, long press with the mouse, and then drop on the chart that you like that way. Now this prompt for changing these settings will appear. Now you can just change what you like, and then after doing that you can just tap on OK. Also make sure to change the color if you have a custom chart like this one. So make sure that you change the color. So you can see that we have a line that has appeared here. So this is an indicator that I have set already. So if I also need another indicator, I can just choose and long press drag it to the chart that you like. That way you have another indicator. So you can see we have the indicators here. Now if I need to edit them, just choose the indicator, then right click, you have the indicator here. Now you can just choose on the properties, and then you can edit even the color. Now I can just change it so I can see the difference that way. So you can see we have that indicator there. Now I can just be using it to analyze the market. Now if I also need the indicators on this other chart, I also just drag and drop that way, and then choose. You have the indicators here. But if you see like this color is just the same, I choose it and then right click, properties, change the color so that I can see a difference here. But if you also need another indicator, also you open, let's say that you need this one, choose it, long press and drag it here. That way you just drag it and then you'll have it here. So that is it. If you like this chart, then watch the next video on how to set it. If you don't have an account, a brokerage account, a trading account, I have several brokers that I recommend in the description below. So thanks for watching.